The high-profile trial against social media giant Meta officially began in Santa Fe today.
It was announced more than 2 years ago by the state attorney general against the company which owns Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Prosecutor claims Meta is targeting teens and preteens to maximize revenue while exposing them to sexual exploitation and other dangers. With the nation watching this case, dozens of other states are expected to sue as well. And we have team coverage with the latest details from the trial. We begin with Peyton Spellacy.
Yeah, Doug and Shelley, witnesses started taking the stand late this afternoon. That was after both sides shared their cases and plans for the coming weeks in their opening statements. The New Mexico Department of Justice is questioning if Meta knew about safety concerns, but chose to continue operating anyway. The state argues the company knew there were serious dangers behind the scenes. Attorneys say they plan to show evidence that social media has been linked to problems like addiction, anxiety, depression, self-harm, and even suicide. They argue that these platforms can also expose children to online predators.
Many bad actors horrifically will post things that put children at risk. The evidence will be that the culture at Meta is not safety first. It's growth and engagement first. It's freedom of expression first. It's brand first. But it's not safety first.
Now, on the other side, Meta is using the statement disclose, not deceive. They say the company has repeatedly disclosed that harmful or inappropriate content can sometimes bypass its safeguards, which is why it continues to develop its safety features. For example, Meta has introduced teen accounts that provide additional protections for younger users. These accounts restrict who can contact them. Unknown adults don't have the ability to message teen accounts, and teen parents can control the type of content that they see. While it is true that some kids may lie about their age to bypass restrictions, Meta says they have more layers to protect that.
It has automated technology to try to find teens who might be doing that and then putting them into the teen accounts.
Now the trial picks back up tomorrow. KOAT will have a camera in the courtroom. In Santa Fe, I'm Peyton Spellacy, KOAT Action 7 News.